In this tutorial, I am going to discuss a programming question, cousins in binary tree. So the problem statement is given two values x and y. We have to write a code to check the nodes corresponding to value x and y are cousins or not. So the node corresponding to this value is this one and the node corresponding to this value is this one. So we have to check whether these two nodes are cousin or not. And what is cousins? So two nodes of a binary tree are cousin if they have the same depth but have different parents. So if they have the same depth but have different parent. And what is depth? So starting from root node, so the depth at root node is 0 and the children of root node is at depth 1 and the children of this node is at depth at this point plus 1, which is 2. So if both the nodes have same depth and they have different parents, then these two nodes are said to be cousins of each other. And all the values in this binary tree are unique. So let's understand this problem statement through an example. So in the first example, given two values 4 and 3. So this node and this nodes. So the parent of this node is 2 and the parent of this node is 1. So they have different parents, but they have different depths. So their depth is not same. So we return false. So the output of the first example is false. Now let's move to second example. So in the second example, given two nodes, given two values 5 and 4. So these two nodes, and the parent of this node is this one and the parent of this node is this one. So they have different parents and also they have the same depths. So we return true. So these two nodes are cousins. And now let's move to third example. So in the third example, 2 and 3. So the values are 2 and 3. So these two nodes, so they have same parents. So their depth is same, but they have same parents. So they violate this condition. So we return false. So this is the problem statement. And now let's discuss multiple approaches to solve this problem. So let's discuss our first approach, and in this approach I'm going to solve this problem using level order traversal. So in level order traversal we traverse a tree level by level, and also I'm using two hash map. In one hash map I keep node value and its parent node value, and in second hash map I keep node value and its corresponding level. And after the complete traversal we have each node value and its parent value, and also each node value and its level. So I simply check this condition. So two nodes of a binary tree are cousin if they have the same depth but have different parent. So I can validate whether they can satisfy this condition or not. So what we can do is, so let's start traversing this tree level by level. So for level order traversal we are using queue. So first we put this node in a queue. So I'm putting its value, and then we run this while loop, and also I initialize I put initial value in this map. So in the first, so the root this root does not have any parent. So what we can do is, so let's put this value and 0 corresponding to this, and also the level at this root is 0. So 1 and it's 0. Then we run this while loop. So the queue is not empty, so we poll this value. So we poll this value and we check the left and right children. So if it is not null, so simply enqueue them in a queue. So let's enqueue them. So first left and then right children. So here is the code. So if the left children is not null, so simply enqueue them, and also I take this value 2 and its parent. So the parent of this node is 1, so put its value, and I take this node, and what is, so the depth at this point is 0. Let's add 1 to it. So the depth is 1. So here is the code for that. And similarly for right children, So let's take this right children, and let's put its parent value and also its level. So similar code is there, and also we have enqueued it, and now in the next iteration we have to dequeue this value. So we are polling this value, and same with their left and right children. So no left children is there, so this condition is skipped, and so this node has right children, so let's enqueue them and also put in this map, and its parent value, which is 2, similarly its level, so 4, and its level is 2. Now in next iteration we dequeued this, and when we dequeued, so let's check its left children, which is 5. Let's enqueue them, and this node does not have any right children, and so we take this node, and put its parent value, which is 3, and also its level, which is 2. Then in next iteration we dequeued this value, and there is no left and right children for this node, so this condition and this condition is skipped. Similarly for this node, there is no left and right children, and after that the queue is empty, and we came out from this loop, and then we check. So we have to validate these two values. So the node corresponding to these two values are at same level. So when we get 4, and so level, so this is the map to maintain the level. So when we get the value, when we get the level of these two nodes 4 and 5, yes, the level is same. So let's check its parent. So the parent of this node is 2, so we get 2, and the parent of this node is 3, we get 3. So parents are also not equal, so we return true that these two nodes are cousins. And if this condition is not satisfied, then we return false that these two nodes are not cousins. Now let's talk about its time and space complexity. So its time complexity is O(n). We are visiting each node of a binary tree. And what about its space complexity? So we are using extra space in the form of queue and map, so its space complexity is also O(n). So now let's discuss our next approach, in which we try to solve this problem in constant space. Let's discuss our next approach, and in this approach we solve this problem in by using constant space. So the idea here is to take the value of x and find its parent and depth, then take this value y, find its parent and depth, and then we check this condition. If the depth of both the nodes are same and its parent is different, then both the nodes are cousins. And how this method works, so let's visualize it. So here I have created a class in which I keep two attributes, parent and depth, and then from this method I am calling this get node parent and depth method for both the values, and this method returns the parent and depth of both the values, and then we do the comparison here. And so let's see how this method works. Let's visualize it. So let's start for the value x. So we start from the root node. So let's see its argument. So I have passed 4 arguments. So the node, then the value of x, which is 5, its parent node, which is null in case of root, and its depth. So depth will be 0. Then let's see this method. So in this method, so the first base condition is if root is null, then simply return null, which is not true in this case. So the value is equal to this value. So we found the nodes, then return its parent value and depth, so which is also not the case. Then we reach at this statement, and I'm calling this method recursively. So first we pass the reference of left node, so we reach at left node, and here let's see, so the value is 2. Then this so then we have 5 here, and the root node is 1, so the root node of this node is 1, and then the level, so level here is 0, so the level is 1. And after that again we call this method recursively and passing the reference of left node. So here the left node is null, so when we reach at this statement we return null. So again we came back at this step and we move to execute this line of code, and in this line of code we pass the reference of right node. So right node is 4, and then the value of x, which is 5, and then its root, which is 2, and its depth, which is 2. And after that again when we reach we call this recursively, so it is null, so we reach at this statement and then we reach at this statement, and again we go in right half of the tree and we do the same process, and from here onwards we return the value of parent and depth. So the parent is 3 and the depth is 2. So in this variable we get this object which consists of two values, 3 for parent and 2 for depth, and again we call this method for this value y, and same so recursively we traverse this tree and we return its parent and depth, and for this case we return its parent, which is 2, and its depth, which is also 2, and then we check if the depth is same. So the depth of first one, so let's write it, so 3 2, yes, so depth is same and both the parents are different, so both the nodes are cousins. So in this way we can solve this problem using this approach. And now let's talk about its time and space complexity. So its time complexity is O of n and its space complexity is O1. We are using constant space. So that's it for this video tutorial. For more such programming videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. You can visit our website, which is https://webrewrite.com. And thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video.